everyone, my name is Job Prins, sales representative of Lengers Yachts, and I'm excited to take you on a tour of our newest listing, the Bluegame BGX73, build number 23, named Eolino. This stunning yacht brings together modern design, excellent performance and comfort you expect from a top-of-the-line yacht. The BGX70 was first launched at the 2019 Cannes Yachting Festival, and in 2023 it underwent a facelift as part of the new BGX73 line. The model was rebranded and now features an innovative asymmetric hydraulic platform, further enhancing both function and style. At 22.6 meters long with a beam of 5.6 and a weight of around 55 tons, the Bluegame BGX73 offers both space, stability for a smooth, comfortable ride. Let's start at the stern. The innovative asymmetric hydraulic platform is a key feature of the Eolino, allowing easy access to the water and making it perfect for enjoying the sea, whether launching the tender or relaxing by the beach area. This platform makes it simple and stylish. The yacht is powered by twin Volvo Penta D13 engines, each delivering 1000 HP, which combines for 2000 HP in total. With this power, the Eolino can reach a top speed of 30 knots and cruising comfortably at 19 or 20 knots. Fuel consumption is efficient, at 185 liters an hour, giving a cruising range of 400 nautical miles. Another great feature is the hydraulic crane, integrated neatly into the hull, perfect for launching a 4-meter tender. The beach club is also fitted with an outdoor kitchen that includes a grill, an ice maker for maximum comfort at anchor. The shore power system is retractable, with her Glendinning system located at starboard stern, ensuring easy access. Inside, the saloon offers an open and inviting space. The large windows bring a natural light, creating a bright and nice atmosphere with great views all around. The design is both simple and elegant, with high-quality finishes that provide a touch of luxury without being overly flashy. The saloon door can almost open completely, giving you an amazing view and feel with the couch facing to the water. Additional extra storage space has been added on starboard side. At the entrance of the saloon, we come to the owner's suite. Located midship, this suite spans the full beam of the yacht, offering a spacious and comfortable place to unwind. This king-size bed generates storage and large windows on both sides, fill the room with light and provide fantastic views on the water. The windows can be opened to allow fresh air in, creating a true connection with the ocean. The bathroom features a 2-sink layout and includes a bidet and toilet for added comfort and convenience. From the saloon, we move upstairs, the main deck and wheelhouse, a space that has been beautifully designed to offer multiple functions in the area. You can reach this space from both inside and outside. It offers a large table with an L-shaped sofa, making it easy to entertain around 8 people. There is also a great aft sitting area, perfectly fitted for the outdoor use, with sturdy, wide side decks that makes you feel safe and secure while cruising. The galley is designed for both style and practicality. It features a 4-burner induction cooktop, dishwasher, sink and a combination oven microwave, making it perfect for preparing meals, whether for a casual lunch or a fine dinner. The galley flows seamlessly into the rest of the main deck, making it easy to entertain guests while preparing food. Now let's head to the wheelhouse area, where the captain has full control. The helm is equipped with the latest Garmin technology. 2 single pilot seats with joystick control provide a comfortable and nice navigation experience. The yacht also features the dynamic positioning system by Volvo, allowing the yacht to stay in place even in challenging conditions. What really sets the Eolino apart are the added options. She's equipped with the Seakeeper 18, the largest zero-speed stabilizer possible on the BGX73, ensuring a smooth and stable experience while driving and mostly at anchor. Thanks to the upgraded lithium battery pack, Eolino can run without generators for the entire night or up to 6/7 hours with Seakeeper and air conditioning on. This is ideal for staying off the grid without sacrificing comfort. Enhanced Wi-Fi coverage, including Starlink and 7 access points, keeps you connected no matter where you are. The tropical AC system ensures that the yacht remains cool and comfortable even in warmer climates. Guest accommodations on board the Eolino are equally impressive. There are 2 guest cabins, both with private and suite bathrooms for maximum comfort and privacy. These cabins are located at the front of the yacht, providing separation from the owner's suite and ensuring a quiet, restful experience for everyone on board. The VIP cabin is facing front, and there are 2 separated beds at the second cabin starboard side. Moving back upstairs, at the bow, you will find even more space to enjoy with friends and family. This area is perfect for outdoor use, offering plenty of room to relax and entertain. At the bow of the yacht, you will also find the crew quarters. This area provides comfortable accommodation for 2 crew members and designed with privacy in mind, ensuring that the crew has their own space while remaining out of sight from the guest area. The engine room is where Eolino shows her power and efficiency. The Volvo Penta IPS propulsion system ensures smooth handling and excellent fuel economy, making long-range cruising and maneuvering in tight spaces easy and efficient. Eolino is more than just a yacht, she's a complete experience, built for those who want to enjoy the water in the utmost comfort and style. She combines excellent performance with luxury features and innovative design. If you're interested in making this stunning yacht your own, Eolino is exclusively available throughout Langley's Yachts. Thank you very much for joining us on this yacht tour on the BGX73 Eolino. For more information, or if you want to schedule a viewing, please contact us at Langley's Yachts.